Hello students, welcome to Video Guru. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ SEPM ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ explain generic process framework for software engineering. Explain the 5 activities of a generic process framework. Explain software engineering practices David Hooker's 7 principles. Explain software myths with examples. Explain software process highlighting the importance of software engineering. Explain waterfall model with diagram. Compare and contrast waterfall, incremental and evolutionary models. Compare waterfall model and spiral model. Explain incremental and evolutionary process models with a neat diagram. Explain Boeing spiral model with its advantages and disadvantages. Explain incremental process model with example. Next, model 2. Explain the different tasks involved in requirements engineering. Explain requirements elicitation and techniques used for elicitation. Explain characteristics and the nature of a software system. Explain class responsibility collaborator CRC modeling with an example. Explain elements of analysis model in requirement modeling. Illustrate UML use case diagram for home security system. Explain scenario based model with example. Explain how to develop an effective use case with UML diagram. Describe class responsibility collaborator modeling with example. Explain 3 types of QFD with examples. Next, model 3. What is agility? Explain agility with the cost of change diagram. Explain agile process and agility principles. Explain principles of agile software development. Explain extreme programming with a neat functional diagram. Explain concepts of XP with diagram. Explain SCRUM process with a neat diagram. Explain adaptive software development. Explain design modeling principles that guide framework activities. Explain safe home security functions for behavioral and flow oriented modeling. Next, model 4. Explain the procedure of setting objectives for successful completion of a software project. Explain different categories of software projects with examples. Illustrate project management lifecycle with a neat diagram. Compare project management lifecycle and software development lifecycle. Explain smart objectives. Explain difference between traditional versus modern project management. Explain concepts in activity planning in software project management. Explain risk evaluation with example. Last model, 5th model, define software quality and explain its place in project management. Explain quality management system QMS with principles of BS. Explain capability process model and CMM key areas. Explain quality dimensions by Gravin. Explain MC calls quality models. Explain techniques used to enhance software quality and software reliability. List and explain 6 generic functions allowed in automated estimation techniques. Explain COC00MO2 model. Explain software development life cycle ISO 12207 with a neat diagram. Okay students, complete 5 model ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವೆ, ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.